Claude, Gemini, OpenAI all are rolling out new AI features every week, claiming to enhance and entirely change the way we do our crucial tasks. Yet, the good thing is that all these developments have opened up a huge window of opportunity, enabling us all to make some really good money, first as a side hustle, and eventually to a level of complete financial independence. So for that purpose, I have dug out the 5 highly profitable AI skills you can learn right now. Skills that are paying regular people anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 a month. Plus, what you need along with these skills, I have figured out 7 practical methods that you can use to find the actual clients who will pay you for these services. And frankly, once you start earning this much, you probably don't need your stressful office job anymore. The only thing you need to start is your mobile phone or a laptop, and the urge to improve your life. The incredible part is that all these are fresh, in-demand skills, and this is perhaps the best time to get going. Just pick one skill, use one client finding method, and thank me later. And by the way, I have 20 years of experience working in AI, machine learning, and computational intelligence. So rest assured, everything I tell here is filtered through all my knowledge and learnings all along. Starting with skill number 5, and this is the easiest by far, AI pitch deck and design agency. About 3 weeks ago, Anthropic launched something called Claude Design. You type one line describing what you want. Claude builds you a full pitch deck, a mobile app prototype, a carousel, a one-pager, whatever you need. And it does not look like some AI template garbage, it looks like someone who actually knows design made it. Now think about who needs this. Every founder pitching investors needs a deck. Every startup applying to an accelerator needs a deck. Every small business owner presenting to a client needs slides. And most of them either pay a designer $100 to $200 and wait a week, or they open PowerPoint and create something that physically hurts to look at. You fix that, go to claude.ai, click design in the sidebar. Type create a 10-slide pitch deck for a fintech startup targeting millennials, dark theme, clean typography, include problem, solution, market size, revenue model, team, and ask. Claude builds the whole deck in about 2 minutes. You export it as PDF or PowerPoint, clean it up if needed, charge $200 to $300 per deck. 5 clients a month and you are already at $1,000 to $1,500. Each project takes you 2 to 3 hours because Claude genuinely does 90% of the work. But the real question is, where do these 5 clients come from? Hold that thought. That section is just few minutes away. The next 60 seconds are really crucial, so pay special attention. Skill number 4. And this one is so new that when I tell people about it, they think I am making it up. AI financial analysis using Claude for Excel. Anthropic just launched a direct Claude add-in for Microsoft Excel. It builds financial models from raw data, audits your formulas, runs sensitivity analysis, creates dashboards, everything. Citadel and ServiceNow are already using it internally. And just days ago, Anthropic dropped 10 ready-to-use financial AI agent templates on top of that. But here is the opportunity nobody is seeing. Citadel does not need you. The thousands of small businesses, accounting firms, and startup founders who live inside Excel every single day and have absolutely no idea this exists, they need you. Install the Claude add-in from the Excel store, takes 1 minute, take a client's messy financial data, dump it in, click the Claude button and type, build me a P&L dashboard with monthly revenue trends, expense breakdown by category, and a 6-month cash flow projection, dark theme with charts. Claude builds the whole thing. Formulas, charts, formatting, everything. You clean it up, make it sharp, and deliver it as a monthly report. Charge $300 to $400 per month per client. Get 5 to 8 clients and you are sitting at $1,500 to $4,000 monthly. Your actual time per client is about 3 to 4 hours, and these clients renew every single month because the data changes every month and they need the updated reports. That is recurring revenue on autopilot. As we are about to enter the most crucial part of the video, just hit that like button and press that lonely subscribe button as well. Moving to my favorite, skill number 3, Claude Cowork Setup and Automation Consultant. When Claude Cowork launched earlier this year, it sent shockwaves through the entire IT services industry. Investors immediately realized that this one tool could do chunks of what large IT companies charge hundreds of thousands of dollars for. But here is the funny part. Months later, 99% of business owners still do not know how to set it up. They have heard the name, they know they should probably use it, but they open it, stare at it for 5 minutes, feel overwhelmed, and close it. That gap between knowing about it and actually using it is where your entire business lives. You learn Cowork properly. It is not that hard. A focused weekend is enough. Set up the workspace, understand projects, learn how to write proper task instructions. Connect Gmail, Notion, Google Drive, Calendar. Then you go to business owners with a dead simple offer. I will set up Claude Cowork for your business in one day. I will automate your email management, your meeting prep, your weekly reports, and I will train your team to use it themselves. Charge $500 to $1,000 for the initial setup, plus $200 per month for ongoing support and optimization. The setup takes you a day. The monthly support takes you a few hours, and every client you set up becomes a long-term retainer. Moving to skill number 2, AI Product Image and Ad Creative Studio. 1. This is where most videos on this topic mention ChatGPT images, but I am going to give you something better, faster, more accurate, and it costs nothing to start. Google's NanoBanana Pro, powered by Gemini, is the first AI image model that consistently renders readable text in images. Now, why does this matter for making money? Every B2C brand, every e-commerce seller, every small business needs product photos and ad creatives constantly. A professional product shoot costs them anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000. You come in and generate studio quality product shots and scroll stopping ad creatives in minutes. Get one clean product photo from the client on a white background. Open Gemini, type, generate 5 lifestyle product photos of this protein bar in a gym setting and a morning kitchen setting. Natural lighting, premium feel. You get beautiful variations. Then create the ad creatives. Generate an Instagram ad with bold headline text, dark background, product centered. The text actually renders properly. That was literally impossible 6 months ago. Charge $300 to $500 per month for unlimited product images and ad creatives. Get 8 to 10 B2C clients, and that is $2,400 to $5,000 a month. Your actual time per client is about 3 to 4 hours per month. The rest is AI at work for you. And the skill I am most excited about, skill number 1. If I was starting completely from scratch today, this is what I would build. Building and selling AI agent systems for businesses. Just days ago, Anthropic launched 10 ready-to-use AI agent templates. These agents build pitch books, audit financial statements, draft credit memos, run compliance reviews. Major financial firms are already deploying them. But here is the key. This is not just for finance. Claude Cowork now has plugin templates for HR, legal, sales, marketing, operations, engineering. You can install them, customize them, and connect them to any business. What this means practically is that you can now build an entire AI team for a small business, not just one chatbot, a full team working together. A chief of staff agent that handles email and scheduling. A sales agent that qualifies leads and books calls. A finance agent that reconciles expenses and generates reports. An HR agent that screens resumes and schedules interviews. All running inside one system. All connected, all working while the business owner sleeps. Here is how you start. Master Claude Cowork. Pick one niche, real estate, coaching businesses, D2C brands, agencies, whatever matches your existing knowledge. Build one complete agent system for one business for free. That free project becomes your case study. Now you use that case study to sell to 5 more businesses in the same niche. Charge $1,000 to $2,000 for the setup, plus $300 to $500 per month for ongoing management. You are not selling software, you are selling 3 employees worth of output for the cost of 1 monthly retainer. Every single skill I just listed uses a feature that launched in the last few weeks. 6 months from now, everyone will know about these. Right now, almost nobody does. That is your head start. But, and this is the part everyone asks about, none of it matters if you cannot find the clients. We just had the rundown of the 5 AI skills which have the potential to entirely change our life ahead. But this is totally meaningless until we learn one of the following 7 methods which would get us the actual clients to sell these AI services to. Starting from 7, working our way up to the most powerful one. Method number 7. Niche Facebook groups and online communities. This is the lowest effort method in this list. It takes 5 minutes a day, and the clients come to you. Business communities live on Facebook groups, Discord servers, and niche forums. Search for groups matching your niche: startup founders, D2C brand owners, accounting professionals, real estate agents. Join the active ones. Share useful AI tips, show your work, answer questions. When someone posts, "I need a pitch deck," or "I need help with my reports," or "I need product photos," you are already in the room. You are already known. you are the obvious person to hire. Moving to method 6, freelance platforms. As a specialist, not a generalist. Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, and Freelancer all have active AI service categories right now. But the mistake most people make is listing themselves as AI automation freelancer, which puts them in a pool of thousands competing on price. Instead, list yourself as the specific service you provide, not I do AI automation. Instead, I build Claude Cowork automation systems for real estate businesses. Or I create product image libraries for D2C brands using NanoBanana Pro. The narrower your niche, the easier you are to find and the more you can charge. On Fiverr specifically, create a service listing. Clients come to you instead of you applying to them. And method number 5, local business outreach. Walk into local businesses. Literally, restaurants, clinics, coaching centers, gyms, accounting firms, real estate offices. Bring a tablet showing the case study from your free project. Show them what their competitors' automated reports or pitch decks or product images look like and offer to build the same for them. Most local business owners have heard of AI. Almost none of them have seen it applied to their specific work. You showing up with a real example in person on a tablet converts at a rate that no online method can match. Now, method number 4. Reddit, answer before you pitch. Go to Reddit communities like r/small business, r/entrepreneur, r/freelance, and r/startups. Search for posts where people are asking, how do I automate this? Or I need a pitch deck, or I need product photos but cannot afford a photographer. Do not pitch, answer their question. Be genuinely helpful. End with something like, I actually built a system for exactly this. Happy to share more details. The person who helps first and sells second converts at a dramatically higher rate than the person who leads with a pitch. This method takes patience, but the clients it produces are the highest quality and highest lifetime value you will find anywhere. Moving to the top 3, method number 3, LinkedIn content plus direct outreach. Post one piece of content per week showing your actual AI work, a before and after pitch deck transformation, a dashboard you built, a product image set you generated, not theory, actual output. Then, and this is the part most people skip, directly message 5 business owners per day who match your niche, not a generic pitch, a specific personalized observation about their business and how one specific thing you do would help them. 5 messages a day, 5 days a week, that is 100 conversations per month. Even at a 3% conversion rate, that is 3 new clients every single month. At $500 per client, that is $1,500 in monthly recurring revenue from this one method alone. Method number 2, the referral multiplier. After every successful project, ask for 2 introductions, not testimonials, introductions. A testimonial sits on your website and does nothing. An introduction puts you in a direct conversation with a warm lead who already trusts the person who referred you. One paying client introduces you to 2 more. Each of those introduces you to 2 more. Within 3 months, your pipeline is full and you never wrote a single cold email. This is the most powerful long-term method in this entire list. It compounds and it is free. The single most reliable way to go from 0 clients to a full pipeline. The free case study method. Pick one business in your chosen niche, do the entire project for free. Not as charity, as investment. Build the pitch deck, set up the Cowork automation, create the product images, deploy the agent system. Whatever your skill is, document everything. Screenshots, before and after, time saved, money saved, revenue impact. That free project becomes your case study. One real result from one real business is worth more than 100 cold emails saying I can do this. Every client after the first one sees the proof before they pay. This is how every successful AI freelancer I know got started. Not with a perfect portfolio, not with paid ads, with one free project that proved they could deliver real results. Do this one thing and everything else on this list becomes 10 times easier. Friends, 7 methods, all practical, all free to start. The common thread across all of them: do the work first, show the proof, let the results sell for you. By the way, are you already working on any AI skill, and which of these skills seems most interesting to you, and which methods seem most convenient to find the clients? Share your choice in the comments, and we just conducted a very detailed comparison of the 2 most powerful AI models built as of now. Click this video showing up on the screen to see how Microsoft unexpectedly beat Claude in this mighty challenge. See you there.